Hello to our friends in Connecticut and Arizona. My name is Philip Ruler with RuleTrack, and I want to quickly go over what you're going to be receiving from us and what to do once you receive it. Now in Connecticut, you're going to be receiving a repair back from us in a yellow Pelican case. Arizona, you are finally going to get your loaner from us, and it'll be in an orange Pelican case. Not that the color really matters, just so you know what you're looking for. Once you receive the case is actually on wheels, so it can be wheeled to you from shipping and receiving if they don't bring it to you. Hopefully they bring you the case just as it is. Once you receive the case, just go ahead and pop it open, and of course you're going to remove the equipment that's inside and then put your equipment that you need to have serviced in the case. There are instructions included that will show you exactly how the equipment is packaged in the styrofoam cutouts, although it's pretty straightforward. If you look at it, you can see exactly where the equipment goes. So go ahead and put your equipment in the case. There'll be a decontamination form inside the case that you'll need to sign, saying the equipment's been decontaminated so our technicians can work on it. So please sign this decontamination form, include it in the case. You'll also find a FedEx prepaid label in your case. Go ahead and fold that label and put it in the FedEx envelope that's on the top of the case, and make sure that you seal that envelope so we don't lose the label. Next, you're going to find some zip ties. They're either going to be through the foam on top, or they'll be in a small bag inside the case. Once you close this with your equipment, the decontamination form inside the box and the FedEx label on the outside of the box, go ahead and put these zip ties through the holes in the Pelican case and zip tie it closed so it doesn't pop open on the way to us. And of course you're going to want to secure your latches, and that is all that you need to do to get this equipment back to us. You'll take it to shipping and receiving, and they'll send it to us obviously, and once we get it, we will evaluate the equipment and call you with the service cost before proceeding. So that's really all that has to happen here, and then we'll send the equipment back to you, and we could just cycle through each one of your sets as we go. Hopefully I didn't make that any more confusing than it needed to be. If you have any questions, please email me directly. Thank you for your patience and your time.